The next we can see here the exercise number 1.3. Now the first question, which of the following is the greatest 5-digit number formed using the different digits with 7 in the hundreds place? सबसे पहले क्या करना है, 7 hundreds place में होना चाहिए and the number should be of the greatest 5-digit number. We can see here that all the options are 5-digit numbers. ऑल द ऑप्शंस आर 5 डिजिट्स नंबर्स और वो भी ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर चाहिए हमें 7 हंड्रेड्स के प्लेस में. हियर 7 इज इन द हंड्रेड्स प्लेस, हियर द 7 इज इन हंड्रेड्स प्लेस, हियर एंड हियर द 7 इज एवरीवेयर इज इन हंड्रेड्स प्लेस. सो वी कैन चेक the first digit from the left side, that is here 1 1 1 1. So it is okay, so all the options will be okay. So then next we have to go for here the second digit, we have to check. Here it is 2, here it is 9 8 and 9. Option here 9 9, the greatest digits becomes the 9 9. We can check. We have to among this the option number A and B, A and C we have to cancel because here the 9 is the greatest digit. So we have to go for the next digit, that is here and 7, and here is also 7. We have to go for one more digit, that is here it is 7 and but here it is 2. So the option B will be the correct answer. Okay, why? Because 7 is greater than this 2, so we have to select this option number B is the correct answer. Okay, so we have to go for the next question, that is what is the difference between the greatest and the smallest 5-digit numbers formed from the digits. Now we can see here that smallest और greatest number जो इससे बन के निकलता है इन digit से, उसका डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करना है, यानी सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है आपको. दैट वी कैन मेक द स्मॉलेस्ट और ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर वी हैव टू मेक एट फर्स्ट, दैट इज 9 7 5 3 0 and the smallest number we have to make it 3 0 5 7 and 9. So we have to subtract, find out the difference. Now here it is 2 1 you can take from here, that it becomes 10 10 में से 9 गया 1 रह गया, then it becomes 2. So one take you can from here, that 12 12 minus 7 becomes 5, that one more you can take from here, that is 14 14 minus 5 becomes 9. So 6 remains as usual. 66,951 will be the correct answer. So the 66,951 is option number C. Option number C is the correct answer. The next question is, how many times does the 0 occur in the 2-digit numbers? We can see here that in the 2-digit number 0 occurs how many times? The first time 0 occurs in 10, 20, then 30, then 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. The 0 occurs from 10 digits number here 90, still 9. So we can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. How many times the 0 occurs in the 2-digit numbers? 9 times does the 0 occurs in the 2 digits number. So next question, what is the difference between the place values of the digit 7 in the 2 different places in the number? The place value we can find out. Here the 2 place values we can find out. 27307 it is there. So here this place value becomes 7 and this place value becomes 7, and here 3 digits are there. We can write down here the 3 zeros. So what it says, the difference we have to find out. Difference means we have to subtract it now. Okay, so subtract it. After subtraction we'll get that. Take 1 from this 7 digits. So here it becomes 9 remains. Here also 9 remains. Here becomes 10. 10 में से 7 गया, 3 रह गया, then 9 9 then 6. So 6 9 9 3 will be the correct answer. So the option number it is option number 1 is the correct answer. Okay, so then we have to go for the next. What is the sum of the first 10 odd natural numbers? What are the first 10 odd natural numbers? First odd natural number is 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9. How many numbers? 5 numbers are there. Then 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Let us see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the first 10 odd natural numbers. So now we can count here. 1 plus 9 becomes it is 10. So then 7 plus 3 becomes it is 10. Then we have to go 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. Okay, 25. Then we have to go from here. 11 plus 19 it becomes 30. So these all are 25. 11 plus 19 becomes 30. So then we have to go for this. 13 plus 17 becomes, again we'll get that it is 30. Then 15 it is 30 30 60 60 plus 15 it becomes 75. 75 plus 25 it is 75 plus 25 it becomes 100. So option number D is the correct answer here. So then next one we can see how many prime numbers are there from 100 to 101. Let us see here that 101, the odd numbers we can see 103, 105, 107 and 109. They are the 5 odd numbers between them, and 105 it is divisible by 5. So this is not the prime number. So we have to check here, this 101 is divisible by none of the any number. This also 103 किसी नंबर से डिवाइड नहीं होता है. 107 एंड 109 किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड नहीं होता है. अगर हम डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स देखेंगे, 101 2 से डिविजिबल नहीं होता क्योंकि ऑड नंबर है. 3 से डिविजिबल नहीं होता क्योंकि 1 + 1 बिकम्स 2 है, तो ये भी नहीं होता है. देन वी हैव टू डिवाइड विथ 4 इट इज़ नॉट डिविजिबल बिकॉज इट इज़ ऑड नंबर हियर. 5 इट इज़ नॉट डिविजिबल विद दैट. 5 नंबर की डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स है, अगर यूनिट प्लेस में 1 और क्या होना चाहिए, 5 होना चाहिए, 0 और 5 होना चाहिए, तो ये भी ऑप्शन नहीं होता है. देन वी हैव टू गो फॉर 6. अगर 2 और 3 से डिवाइड नहीं होता है तो 6 से भी डिवाइड नहीं होगा. 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे वो भी पॉसिबल नहीं है. कोई भी नंबर्स अगर आप चेक करेंगे यहाँ पर 7 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. देन गो फॉर दैट 8 ये ऑड नंबर है, इसलिए पूरे के पूरे ऑड नंबर्स है, इसलिए 8 से भी डिवाइड नहीं हो पाएगा. Then check it for the 9 10s are 90. If you suppose now we have to divide here 101, 9 ones are 9, 1 remains 11, so it is not possible. 103 if you want to check you can check, 9 ones are 9, then what it remains 1 and 3 you have to take 13 it is there, so it is again not possible. So then 9 we have to take 107, 9 ones are 9, what it remains 17, it is not possible again. Then again we have to divide 109, 9 ones are 9, so 1 remains 19, so again it is not possible by dividing 9. 10 की डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स अगर लास्ट वंस प्लेस में अगर 0 रहेगा तभी 10 से डिवाइड होता है. जैसे कि 7 से अगर हम बाकी नंबर्स डिवाइड करने की कोशिश करेंगे तो देखेंगे 103, 7 ones are 7, what it remains 3, 33 is not in 7th table. Let's go for that. 101, 7 ones are 7, 3 remains here, you take 1, 31 is not in 7th table, we have to go for 107. 7 ones are 7, 3 remains, that 37 is not in 7th table. We have to go for the next number 109, 7 ones are 7, so again 39 it is not in 7th tables. So okay, all 1, 2, 3, 4. How many prime numbers are there between 100 to 110? That is 4 prime numbers are between 100 to 110. The last question we can see here, the sum of all the prime numbers between 70 to 80. What are the prime numbers between 70 to 80? We can take here 71. Then second one it is 73. 73, okay, 75 is divisible by 5, so then we have to go for 77. 11 7s are 77 is there, so it is not possible, it is not the prime number. So then we have to go for 79. So okay, so we have to add all these numbers. 3 plus 1 plus 9 becomes 10, 10 plus 3 is 13 of 3, 1 carry. 7 3s are 21 plus 1 is 22, that 223 is the correct option. The option number B is the correct answer. Okay.